Dad is the best at telling fairy tales. He's an ancient Greek god to us, and we are his little assistants. This bathroom is way too pale. We need to add some colors to it. I just so happen to have bathroom paints. Squeeze out shaving foam. Add some gouache to it. Put different colors of foam into cupcake molds. Let's color the wall. It looks way better this way. Daddy, look at my picture. Oh, I see it now, young artist. You love shaving foam. Sit here. We'll shave together. Dad is actually shaving, and the kid has a foam beard. It looks really good on you. Let's pretend that we're shaving off your thick foam beard. Like this. Welcome to manhood, son. Cooking together is always fun. Mom and daughter have their own routine. Cute matching aprons and headbands. Are you ready, my little chef? Then let's start baking cupcakes. Cooking together isn't hard at all. Give your kid a simple task. For example, mixing batter. Now we'll wait for our cupcakes to bake in the oven. We're watching them. What an amazing smell. The cupcakes are ready. Now here comes the most interesting part. Baby, you can decorate them with whipped cream. This is super fun and easy. I can't wait to eat a tasty cupcake. Wait a minute. Let's add sweet decorations. This is a job for you, kiddo. And finish it off with pink marshmallows. Hey! Oops. Yay! Our family cupcakes are done! Mom is working from home, but her son thinks it's a great opportunity to play with her. Why work when you can have fun just hitting the keys? Mom, look! I'm helping you! And the zipper on Mom's top is made for being pulled back and forth. The boy doesn't want to play in his room with his toys. Mommy, let's play day and night. Son, stop torturing the Switch and your mother. I have a better idea. An exciting busy board. Cut paper towel tubes lengthwise. Cut one piece in half. Color it with acrylic paint. Make a sneaker from 2 pieces of foam paper. Attach the tube pieces to a piece of fiberboard. Also glue on the foam paper sneaker, an abacus, a zipper, and a switch. Glue one side of a Velcro piece to a felt flower and the other side to the board. Fasten the flower on the board. Write a number on it. Attach a few flowers all over the board. Son, here's your own busy board. You can flip the switch as much as you want or unzip the zipper. This is all yours. Thanks, Mom. You are better than any flower. Finally, peace and harmony. The mom and her kid are both busy doing important things. When there's a little kid at home, anything can end up in a cup of water. A ping pong ball? Really? Why is it in here? Although, this gives me a few fun game ideas. The first idea, put cups in front of yourself and I'll throw the ball. The kid has to cover all the balls with cups and not miss any. Good job, you did great. Another one, catch a ball with a cup. This is a little harder. The kid has to throw the ball into the cup and Mom has to catch it. Yay! Men are always kids deep inside. This dad still imagines that he's a Viking who invaded the enemy fleet. Cut one side out of a square plastic bottle. Cover the edges with decorative tape. piece of foam paper onto a stick so it looks like a sail on a mast. Glue the sail into the bottle ship. Attach a tape vane to the stick. Cut out a triangle. Yeah! Surrender! Dad, you are so funny. I'll go show Mom. I'll board your ship. I will show no mercy. Mom, look! Dad still plays with toys. He's so funny. Hey, why is everyone laughing? What happened? Nothing, our brave Viking. Mom has her own type of meditation. Turn on relaxing music and color cookies with Glaze. But the kid thinks it's boring. Why sit in one spot for so long when you can just eat all the cookies? Mom, I'll take another one. Hang on. Let's decorate the cookies together. Print out a simple pattern. Place parchment paper on top and give your kid melting chocolate glaze in a Ziploc bag with a cut corner. Our cooking art class is starting right now. Mom, look at this beautiful bee! Everyone is enjoying the process, both Mom and her kid. The kid is hard at work, tracing the lines of the picture with chocolate. A child sees everything as a game. Dad's arm is making a mysterious shadow on the floor. Whoa, I need to trace it! No, you don't! Let's draw something interesting instead. Put your favorite toys on paper and trace their shadows. There's a whole forest of mysterious animals here. The most important thing is, the floor wasn't harmed. Everyone wants to be a superhero, and there are a couple of superheroes in our house. Spider-Man quickly moves from one room to another. You can't catch him. And this is Fearless Supergirl. She's making sure the house is perfectly clean. Spider-Man makes webs like a pro. Masking tape can easily replace Spider-Man's webs. And here's Supergirl. She easily flies through Spider-Man's webs. She's been training to fly for years. And together, they are the real superheroes of this house. Dad loves playing darts.
Yes!
Nice! I'm a champion! And the son wants to be just like his dad. Daddy, teach me to throw darts! Sharp darts are dangerous at your age, but I know a safer game. Draw a target on a fridge and throw magnets at it. Oh yeah, you hit it! Look at our safe magnetic darts! Good job, son! The magnet hits the bullseye. You are my champion! Toys, hurry up! Take your seats in the front row and turn off your phones. Because we are starting our play. The stage is ready. Cut a strip with bends out of a big cardboard box. Sketch a rectangle in the center and cut it out with a utility knife. Wrap the cardboard in decorative paper. Cut out 2 rectangular pieces of fabric. Sew the top and gather the fabric. Attach the curtain to the stage and tie ribbons around it. Doll actors, come to the stage! Our home theater will show you real tragedies and comedies. Today, we are performing a story about 2 Barbie sisters who were separated at birth, but they met 20 years later. This is so touching. The audience loves it. Baby, you are the best doll director. Thanks for your attention, everyone. The play is over. We'll be glad to have you again tomorrow at our home theater. Did you like our games for kids at home? Then comment below what games you'd like to play. Would you open a home theater? Paint with foam in the bathroom? Or transform into real superheroes? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun games from Troom.